Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and here is a new tip for Revit beginners. Today, I will be explaining how to customize the project units in Revit. First, go to the Manage button. Then go to the Units icon and click. Here you can customize all the units you will be using in your current project. Let's pick the link parameter and customize it. You can change the units to what is required. You can also customize all the parameters in this section, such as the number of decimal places to appear on your dimensions. You can also choose the unit symbol to appear beside your dimension text. You can reach this menu also by typing the shortcut for the units command on your keyboard. Thank you for watching. Hope you benefited from this short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to view more of the same content.